Hi everybody, today we're installing this RJA curtain rod from Ikea. It cost me like $4 and it is super simple to install. Okay, this is what it comes on the package. This will be put on the side. And then these ones we have to install on the wall. This part, the two holes are going to be installed here. Nice. Okay, now we just grab the metal piece, place it there, and we just have to remove a little bit of the screw, like put it, I will show you here, there you go, and then screw a little bit, and then put it back up, and that is what it will secure. You see, it's not moving anymore. There you go. I will do the same on the other side. The last step is just adding this to the ends. That's it. And then we're going to put our curtain. Okay, just pass it through. And once again, we're going to add now this on top. And that's it. This just took me 10 minutes. It was very simple. So if you have any comments or questions, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.